This is the Palmetto Armory nutmeg blemish Generation 5. Has an FN barrel, 760 by 39. Beautiful wood. Has the ALG trigger from the factory. Has a side rail if you want to put an optics mount. Again, beautiful wood, beautiful furniture, and it is clear. Got about 100 rounds through it, no malfunctions whatsoever. I keep on going with that and see how it goes. And once I found out about Palmetto State Armory, their mission statement about more freedom and they want as many people as possible to have guns, law-abiding citizens. I like that. I think we need to do more of that. And affordable price, quality firearm, lifetime warranty. Figure I can't go wrong. And it's the blemish. It has one little blemish right here. So that takes off the price about $250 off. I paid $859 for this. Taxes and everything. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. Iron sights. I like that. Pretty cool. Has a forged trunnion. Chrome line barrel. FM. Quality. Charging handle. Enhanced safety. Metal butt plate. Came with a 30 round PMag magazine. I like to get a metal magazine. In the future I will. Turn this thing around. Whole picture. If you like the gun videos I'm making, seem like they're doing better than the car stuff, which I haven't really posted much this past year, but figured I'd try do some gun videos. It's another hobby. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Me trying to make some more videos pretty soon. So I'm actually shooting videos. Get some targets going on. And all that good stuff. So, thank you.